33 floors are up and rest is moving just as fast. Let's see how things are shaping up at AsmitA Grand Maison. Basecoat waterproofing is completed in 26th floor in Tower 1 and 30th floor in Tower 2. In Tower 2, wooden door frames are installed while electrical work is completed till 31st floor. On 18th floor, kitchen and bathrooms have flooring and dado tile in place, and plumbing work has progressed up to 29th floor. In Tower 1, plaster, gypsum and ceiling work is progressing floor by floor, with sliding windows installed at select levels. Overall construction progress remains steady, structured and right on track. Stay tuned for our construction update next month.